Hello. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm certainly glad to be back, with part 2 of the Antarctica set. Those are the Dainese Gore-Tex Antarctica Pants, version 1. But as usual, before we dive in, a short disclaimer. Everything was paid by myself. It's not sponsored. It's not an endorsement. I say whatever I want to say about this pants. If there's something I don't like, I will say it. This is my own words. The company has no influence about this. As I said last time, this is the version 1. Version 2 came out in 2022, end of 22 in December something. So there are different kind of pants with changes. I don't know about the changes. So this is the version 1, and I talk about my experience here. It's roughly like 10 to 15,000 kilometers with those pants. But just, let's dive right into it. Obviously the pants are not, it's pants. It's not a jacket. You don't have like tons of pockets and whatever. So, but let's get started. You have 2 waterproof outer pockets. You just open the buttons and then open the zipper, and then you have the waterproof pockets. They are more easier to access than the other pockets on the jacket, so I definitely use those for my papers and for my wallet. They're not in the way. They're just better, and you have the small flap here. And it just makes it easier for you to access the pockets as well with your gloves on. Then you have the normal T-zip, or the T-zip, the same as the jacket, to open the pants and to let some air in to get cooler temperature. The same, of course, on the other side. Then you have some protectors on your knee and shin area, and also some zippers down there, so it makes it easier for you to get the pants on and off, and also to put them inside your shoes or on top of them. I always put them on top, so it's very good to open them, put it in, and then put everything on top of it. But you also have some Velcro to make it tighter around your shoe, or to make it tighter around your boot. Basically, on the inside, you probably see it on the other side. There's where is it here? There is the the waterproof material, and also that keeps you warm. So it wraps really nicely around your leg and keeps you warm and keeps you dry. As I said, you have the protectors here on the hip area. You have a bit lighter padding, but some extra protection as well on the hip. The front area, you have a different kind of button, in kind of a triangle form, so you need to kind of hook it in. It's really better like this, because when you ride, normally the button pops open sometimes, and also makes the pant a bit tighter than the normal zipper, and as well the T-zone in front is waterproof as well, so when you forget it, you're not getting wet. Then on the inside, you have the zipper to connect it to the thermal liner that's on the right. Just this the normal thermal liner, nothing special. You put it in, put it around down your pants, and then you have some buttons as well to connect it to your pants so they stay in place. Then you have on the hip side, you can make the pants a bit wider, so with just normal Velcro, and then have the shape or the size around your hip as you like. That's the front. And then on the back, obviously, you have the braces, or like this part, the braces with the straps, to put it around your shoulders so the pants keeps in place. It's optional. You can remove it with the zipper here, and then it's not there anymore and you have normal pants. And then the other zipper is to connect it to your jacket. But on the back there is nothing special, no hidden pockets, nothing. I think the buttocks area is a bit more padded, so it makes it a bit more comfortable for longer riding. But yeah, that's the pants. It's Gore-Tex, completely waterproof, same as the jacket. Done for cold air temperatures. The pants are definitely, the liner is definitely not as good as the jacket. It's a normal liner, I would say. Nothing special about this. So the jacket with the down jacket inside, it's definitely a bit better, but then it's normal because you get like all the wind in your chest area, so you need a bit more protection there. There's no reflective material either on the pants or the jacket. So that's why I always choose a bit brighter colors. So if you're looking for a bit more reflective material, nothing here. And the air that gets into those vents here, it's not enough. In summertime it will definitely not cool you down. It's just for a cool breeze. Yeah, it's definitely done for winter. That's why the name Antarctica. I like the kind of triangle kind of buttoning. It's pretty nice, but of course it makes it a bit harder to open with your gloves on and so on. But yeah, the price, I don't remember if I mentioned it. It's 799 euros. So yeah, I bought it on sale when it was a bit cheaper. I think it was 30% off or something, like 400 euros or so. So definitely kind of high price. I would have wished some reflective material, and maybe this is reflective, but it's barely enough. It's again abrasive material, so you will slow down a bit faster at least, and more absorption, stuff like this. But yeah, no reflective material. The Dainese or something could have been a more reflective, or could have been a stripe or something to make you more visible when you ride, especially in winter when it's darker outside and snow and whatever, or even darker. Then some more reflective material would have been nice. The thermal liner, yeah, it's nice that they included it, but as I said, the other jacket is a bit better. But yeah, that's already it. But before before I totally end the video, I will show you how both of the pants and jacket look in combination, and then you can make your own judgment if you need something like this. But yeah, I will say my goodbyes here now, so thank you very much. Goodbye, and now on to the how it looks. Unfortunately, my motorcycle is currently in service, or I would have showed you how it looks on a motorcycle, so you just need to deal with it standing. But yeah, thank you very much, and talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.